Hello friends, we are looking at the sky nighttime, lesson 3.3. Let's go ahead and dive into this science lesson. For question check-in, let's go ahead and make sure that those listening ears are turned on. You can show me that your eyes are on my screen. You can hold up cactus hands for me, show me that you're not holding any toys, pencils, markers, or anything that could distract you, and go ahead and wave good morning to each other. You can put your hands down and take a deep breath. Go ahead and let that breath out. Are you going to give this lesson your absolute best? Give me 2 thumbs up. Fantastic. Remember, we are recording every lesson that we have here so that you can go back and watch the lesson again if you need to. And don't forget about our classroom rules. Lesson goals for today, I can talk about the nighttime sky, and I can explain how the moon appears to move in the sky. On a night without clouds, you can see the moon and the stars. Just like the sun appears to move during the day, the moon and the stars appear to move across the sky at night. Let's review 2 important science words. Let's select each image and listen to the word and its meaning. The moon is Earth's closest neighbor in space. You can see the moon at nighttime and during the day too. The phases of the moon are the shapes of the moon in the night sky. The phases include full circle and parts of a circle. Did you know that astronauts have visited the moon? The astronauts wore spacesuits because the moon has no air. The moon also can get very hot and very cold. If you want to visit the moon someday, now is a good time to learn more about it. Just like the sun, the moon appears to rise, climb across the sky, and then set. However, the moon is different from the sun in other ways. Can you think of some of the differences? The sun only appears during the daytime, but the moon can appear during the day and the night. The moon appears faint during the day because the sun is so much brighter. Another difference is that the moon has phases, or different shapes. The moon doesn't really change its shape. Instead, we see different pieces of the moon's surface from night to night because of how the sun is hitting the moon. All right, it is time to try it. Gather your science notebook or a blank piece of paper and your drawing supplies. You can follow these steps in order. You can pause this video to grab materials and then press play when you are ready to continue. Step 1, draw a picture of the moon at night. You can use this picture for inspiration. You can pause this video, color it, make it creative, and then press play when you are ready to move on to the next part. Learning coaches, I will ask that you take a picture of your students' artwork when they are finished. You can send it to me on Class Dojo, email, or text message, and this will count as credit for them watching this recording. All right, guys, you can pause this video if you still need more time or keep playing it if you are done. Step 2 is to draw a picture of the moon during the daytime because sometimes we can see the moon during the daytime. So you can draw this picture. You can use this as inspiration or make something different of a picture of the moon during the day. And then you can color it. Learning coaches, if you'd like to, you can also send a picture of this on Class Dojo email or text message. But if you sent that first artwork, then you don't have to send this one. Guys, go ahead and pause this video, press play when you are ready to wrap up the lesson. Great, today you learned about the night sky. Both the moon and stars appear to move across the sky, just like the sun moves during the day. However, the moon sometimes rises or sets during the day. The moon also appears in different phases or shapes that change slowly from night to night. It is time to check your understanding, boys and girls. Which photo shows the moon during the day? Go ahead and hold your answer in your beautiful brain. Which photo shows the moon during the day? If you were thinking the first photo, you are correct. This shows a picture of the moon during the daytime. You may log off. Thank you so much for learning more about nighttime with me, and I will see you guys later.